Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for staying with me. So today I am making a very simple dish. It's very simple, as you can see. The video is less than 4 minutes. It's very quick and easy. Yes, so today I am making red peas cook-up. I brought these peas back from Guyana. So I'm like, hey, why not make red peas cook-up? Like, how hard can it be? Because I usually make black eyed peas. It shouldn't be that much of a difference. So let's see how it goes. So what I'm doing, I'm just gonna boil the coconut milk for a little bit, put some thyme in there, season it with some black pepper, a little bit of Maggi cube. And then I usually just add the rice, the beans, and then I'm gonna go ahead with just a little bit of water. Just gonna put my peas in. So my peas has already been pressured, so it's good, it's nice and soft. Saltfish and dry shrimp. I usually add some grind seasoning as well to the rice. That gives it more flavor as well. I also went ahead and just sprinkled just a little bit of sugar in there. And you're gonna want your stove on low heat because it's gonna burn. Yes, so we're gonna keep it on low heat. Because today I'm not making a very loose cook-up. Like the rice doesn't have to be loose, but just a little softer than usual. So you have to take its time and steam and get nice and soft. So that's it, guys. And I'm just gonna top it off with some achar that I brought back from Guyana. It is so delicious. Thank you guys for staying with me, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and just hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. See you in my next video.